How's it going? You got the Sebenza here, large Sebenza. It's got a titanium frame lock and then phosphor bronze washers inside. Magna cut steel blade. It's probably our flagship knife. That's the most popular for our company.
Something more?
Let's see.
Those three are very, very nice.
Yeah, so this is another large Sebenza with box elder burl. It's a nice wood that we cut in-house. Got all that different grain pattern in there. It's got our new MIM clip that's metal injected molded. Same concept with that. Yeah. This is probably our toughest folder that we make, the Omnumzon. Means the boss in Zulu. Got an over travel stop, got the lugs built into the blade. That guy.
Some fixed blades.
Yeah, so we got the Large Nkosi here. It's another one similar to the Sebenza. Frame lock design as well. Runs on oversized washers. Got a floating stop pin. And then we have some fixed blades. We have the Inyoni, the Backpacker, the Pacific, and the Pacific and the Green Beret. All in Magna cut, micarta handles. You can get it in either black or natural. Got some little paracord for the lanyards. Awesome survival knives or bushcrafting knives.
And those two with hollow grind, yes?
What's that?
Hollow grind. Hollow grind.
Yes. Yep. Yeah, hollow ground. And then with a convex
Very,
edge.
very light.
Yeah.
Extremely light.
Yep. Yeah, I think the backpacker comes in around like 3 or 4 ounces, something like that.
Those two small are absolutely perfect for me.
Yeah, the backpacker's a really good size.
Valentin, смотри. All right. Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
stopping by.